Hey guys, do you play the game Top 11? Well, today I'm going to show you guys how to download a modded version of Top 11 for iOS and Android, which is going to give you unlimited stuff. So as you can see, I'm really poor, but in the mod menu, we can actually enable unlimited tokens. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it for iOS and Android. It's super cool. So let's get straight into the tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So I'm just going to enable unlimited tokens right there, and let's see if this goes up. So currently there's no change, but maybe it will come. So let's see what happens. And yeah, it's going up. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this top 11 mod for iOS and Android so you can get unlimited tokens in 2025. Super cool. So let's get straight into the tutorial. It's really easy. So the first thing we're going to do is go to tweakmod.com and just type in top 11. Press install and begin the verification. So this is the last step. You got to download 2 apps, complete the instructions, 100% for free from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to go ahead and load here, as you can see. So yeah, I don't really make videos like this, but TweakMod is an actual good website, so had to try it out for you guys. So let's just give it a second for this to go ahead and download here, as you can see. All right, so yeah, this is version 9, by the way. So yeah, we're just going to let it download. So let's just see what happens. And we're going to have the top 11 hack on our device. So basically we got to download 2 apps and complete the instructions 100% for free from the official store. So you just press on it. It'll bring you to the store. Download it. You're done. So I'm on an Android, so it brought me to the Play Store. But if you're on an iPhone, it will bring you to the App Store. So just make sure you download 2 of them. You can see down, install, play 4 games for 5 minutes, run for 30 seconds, whatever it is, guys, just do 2 of them, and then you will have the top 11 hack on your device. So be sure to try it out. I'm going to see you guys later. But yes, it's super cool, guys. Totally working. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. But yeah, there's no problems at all. It's really cool. So if top 11's your game, be sure to try this out for yourself because it's fully working, guys, and it's super awesome.